Today we'll learn the basic functions and features of your new Ricoh device. First, we'll talk about the copy feature. You'll notice that your paper tray is set for auto paper select. Here you can see your paper trays that shows you the size paper that you have in the paper trays as well as the orientation of the paper that's in those trays. This little U here shows you the amount of paper that you have in your paper trays. So we have two lines there. The next thing you'll see is a red arrow letting you know that there's no paper in those paper trays. As we come on down the screen, you have two preset reduce and enlarge keys here. At the bottom of your screen, you'll notice that you have a reduce and enlarge button. If you select this reduce and enlarge option, you'll notice that you have more reduce and enlarge options here. You have your plus and minus to take this percentage up or down, or you can select this button that says number keys and dial in the percentage that you like to reduce or enlarge by. As you come on down your screen, you'll notice that you have here your duplexing options. This first one shows us that we can load in two documents. It takes those two and it gives us back our double-sided copy. With this next option, it shows you here that you have a double-sided copy, so that way the machine knows to scan both sides of the document and it gives you back your double-sided copy. As you come on down the screen, you'll notice here that you have your sort and your rotate sort. Your sort option is if I had 5 pages and I needed 3 sets, I'll select sort and 3. That way I'll get 3 sets of those 5 pages. With your rotate sort, it changes the directions of the different sets that you have. So if you don't have a finisher, your rotate sort would be the option to sort your documents. So now let's look over here. Here you have your number keypad. This is where you would make your selections for how many copies you need. After you make that selection and anything that you need here, your start key is what you would select to make your copy. So now let's take a look at the paper trays. So here we can open our paper trays. Here you have a button that shows you lock and then unlock. If we unlock here, we can push this green button and adjust this out. If I squeeze here, I can slide this back and get ready to insert my paper. So it doesn't matter if I load my paper in this orientation or the opposite orientation. I can close this, lock it back, adjust this to fit my paper, and the sensors in the paper tray will indicate the size paper that you've just loaded.